Alright everyone, so let me show you guys how this plane fly. I'll hold the plane right here, dress her straight up at 30-45 degrees straight to see. Let's check it out like this. Make sure that both sides are even, otherwise this feels like won't fly far. So hold right here and throw it. Oh, let's go back. Not what I want. Let's see again. Always right here. There is straight hard. Wait for there is no wings. Hello everyone, welcome again to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a new simple paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of your letter size paper. And if you don't have your letter size paper, let's use A4 paper. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Make sure that all edges are lined up. So, when you fold the paper, adjust the paper a little bit. Okay. Careful, do not fold so fast. Adjust it just a little bit until all edges are lined up. For an example, right here, I hold the paper right away, and I'll adjust on the top here too. Now, both sides are even. Alright, now I can press the paper down. Just fold like this. Alright, so this is what we have. On the next step, open the paper. Okay, start from the upper edge, fold both sides toward the center crease. This side first, and then the other side. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Right, you can see this edge and the other edge line up. So press the paper down. Here we go. On the following step, let's start from this upper part of the paper, fold straight down. Okay, straight down like this. Here we go. Okay, now start from this upper part of the paper, fold toward the center crease. Rest is really hard, okay? Then unfold the paper, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from the upper edge, fold to the center crease. Make sure that you hold the paper right here, right? Use the other finger, hold the paper. Like, use the other hand to hold the paper. Okay, so use the other hand to fold the paper. Start from this upper edge, fold toward the center crease. Press down the paper now. Okay, now unfold the paper, open it, start from this side of the paper, fold to the center crease. Be careful. Okay, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Open up the paper. Okay, open each part of the paper up and press it down like this. So this is what you have. This looks really good. Now I will turn the paper like this so I can show you guys the next step. You can see this part of the paper is pop up. I don't like it, so I fold it backward like this, right? I hold the paper up and I fold straight up like this. Right? And I can press the paper down. Very hard. You can see that I fold straight up. Okay, now I unfold the paper. Now it's the tricky part. I fold straight up and I flip it over. And see that? I hold the paper up here. I fold the crease already. And I fold it back in. Like inner. Okay. Inward instead of forward. So I fold it inward. Okay. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same for the other side. I can fold it down like this. But it's hard, so I put the paper down and repeat the same fold like I did before. I fold this part of the paper up, up, up like this. Let me fold up even more. Here we go. So this is what I have. I can press the paper down, press it down, unfold the paper. Now this is what I have. Hold the paper up and press it even further, adjust it, adjust this part of the paper. Now I can press it down. So this is what I have. Okay, this is what I have now. You see this part of the paper. This looks pretty cool. So on the following step, I will start from this part of the paper. You see this part here? I fold straight up like this. Make sure that you fold straight up. Just a little bit. Make sure it's fold straight up. Make sure this line is parallel with the center crease. So fold like this. Same thing for this side. I fold as much as I can. This is what I have. You see that? Next, just for both sides of this edge, both edges together to make a tiny mini pointy part. So I have this side. I do the same for the other side. So I play the paper like this. Hold both sides. Try to match both edges together. Make a mini pointy head of the plan. This is what we have, right? And then the next step is pretty easy. Hold the paper up and fold straight down. Now you have two small fangs on the head. So let's look cool. But then how can you make it even better? You have two things up here. Next, I will fold this part toward the center. Okay, that's why it will look nice. So fold it toward the center. Let me see. I fold it there and fold it in half like this, right? So I fold toward the center. That's why I can enhance the edge of the wings, make it stronger. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Adjust it a little bit. Hold the paper. Let me show you guys how to do it again. That's right here. Press it down a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Here we go. So that's why I can make this part of the paper strong. And the plan look nicer too. You see the head of the plan like this? I can press the paper down. Press the paper down. See this part? And this part, now I can fold the paper in half. I fold the paper in half. And I can fold the wings, start from here, like a middle of this edge, fold straight up here, like 1.5 inches. So it's about here, about this side. And this is about 1/2 inch. Okay. And I can press the paper down. This way, the plane will fly. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Press the paper down. So here we go, how it look like. But with the plane fly well now, well, it's like a moth now, right? A very big wings. It's maybe a good glider, but it may not fly very straight. So in order to make the plane fly straight, you need to create a stabilizer. So for this part of the paper up, this is about 1/2 inch. So just fold up like this side. Okay, open it. This is a little bit off compared to the central of the plane. But imagine that when you throw the plane, this will open like this. This will have elevated plane and have stabilized the paper airplane as well. So if this doesn't fly well, you can adjust it later. I'll finish the other side. Now I do the same for the opposite side. So that's the last side that we need to do. Here we go. So now we finish both sides. Right, this side and this side. And I can fold it part of the paper up just a little bit. You see here? You see that? There we go. So we are done with this paper airplane. I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.